So there I was, lost in an Ikea. You know Ikea, the furniture store where you can get all the furniture you need in an afternoon. I'd been walking through an Ikea, and somewhere after the breakfast tables and kind of near the porch chairs, I was lost. In a maze of furniture and curtains and lamps. It was disorienting. That's exactly how a lot of people feel when they first try to earn passive income online. Disoriented. What type of business should I start? This is going to be tough. Should I even start a business? But that's why there's power in buying an established online business. It's like finding your way out of an Ikea and stumbling upon a plate of delicious Swedish meatballs. Goodbye chaos. Hello deliciousness. FYI, if you haven't been to Ikea, they have these tasty Swedish meatballs near the exit. Buying an online business is like finding your way out of the Ikea maze and into a world of passive income. And just like when you finally sit at your new Ikea kitchen table, you'll be smiling saying, now this was worth the trip. So, tap the like button and let's dive into this. And by the way, thank you for hitting the like button. It means a lot and I really do appreciate it. I'm going to show you how to jumpstart your online income and unleash passive income like a pro. But before we dive in, there's a secret ingredient that most people overlook, and without it, you might as well be tossing your cash into a bonfire. That secret ingredient has nothing to do with Swedish meatballs, but it does have to do with you making money. So, stick around to discover this secret ingredient and how it will make your online income journey way more savory. Hey there, William Griffin here. Today we're talking about how to jumpstart your online income. But first, a quick question. Have you ever dreamt of being able to earn passive income? You know, where you earn money, but it's not dependent on the hours you work. You could be sipping a pina colada on the beach or taking the kids to soccer practice while the dollars flow into your bank account. Having some extra income would be nice. And that's the dream, right? First, let's address the elephant in the room. Why should you buy a website instead of building one from scratch? Here are a few reasons. Time is money, and building a website can take months or even years before you see any profit. Jumpstarting your online income and starting a website from scratch do not go together. It's like sticking two toddlers together with one toy. It won't be pretty. Buying a website can fast track your way to passive income because you're getting an already established business. Think about it. It's like an ATM made just for you that spits out cash. If you're not a tech whiz and not really good at SEO, building a website is a steep learning curve. Trust me, it's like if you were trying to take your whole family on a cool road trip going, wait, let me build the car. Even if you finish the car, you'll be driving going, now where did I put that brake? Why build the car when you can just buy one and hit the road? You'll get to where you're trying to go much faster with less headache and less risk. Your family will thank you. Are you tired of trading your time for money? How would your life change if you could generate passive income by owning an online business that's already making money every month? Let me know in the comments below. Now that you know why buying a website is the way to go, let's talk about identifying the right opportunities. Not every website for sale is a winner. Indeed, most are not winners, so you need to know what to look for. Here are some tips. Find websites with a proven track record. You want a website that has a history of generating income. You're not looking for a fix-upper, you want a turnkey solution. Look for low-maintenance websites. Passive income should be, well, passive. Find websites that require minimal time and effort to maintain, so you can enjoy that pina colada we mentioned earlier. Assess for risk. A website with a proven track record is great, and one where you've identified the risks and know how to mitigate those risks is what you want. Seek out websites where you can know the risks so that you don't end up with a limit. Remember, you're not just buying a website, you're investing in an online business. It's a business, and you need to be so cautious. Whoever is selling a website, they can say anything to get their website sold. So the onus is on you to know the risks, which leads us to our next point. The importance of due diligence. Now, before you jump headfirst into buying a website, you need to do your due diligence. This means researching the website and making sure it's a good investment. You wouldn't buy a house without inspecting it, right? You don't want to buy a house that you've never seen because you'll drive up to it and you'll be like, thought there'd be a roof. Same goes for websites. They don't have a roof, but they have plumbing and rooms and wiring. You gotta check that stuff. Here's a quick list of things to look for during your due diligence process. Analyze the website's traffic. You wanna make sure the website has a steady flow of visitors. The more visitors, the more potential for income. Examine the website's financials. Take a close look at the revenue, at the expenses, and the net profit to ensure the website actually makes money. Verify the website's ownership. Confirm that the seller is indeed the owner of the website. and that there are no hidden surprises. Assess the website's risk and backlinks. A well-optimized website with quality backlinks is more likely to rank well on search engines and attract organic traffic. You probably noticed that there is a lot to check out during due diligence. To cut out the complexity, get our due diligence framework that we have used to help us and our clients make millions and save millions of dollars when buying online businesses. This framework takes the guesswork out of buying a business. Check it out in the description below. Once you've done your due diligence and found a website that you're confident in, it's time to take action and execute. Now, it's easy to get stuck in the research phase and never pull the trigger. That's why I've got the secret ingredient for you to actually do this. Find someone to check your due diligence. I personally would find someone who has bought a website before. That way they can look over your due diligence. That's what I did. Without a doubt, they will notice risks that you did not. And that's the way to learn. If you don't have someone check over it, you basically have this nagging voice in your head that goes, did I check everything? And then you'll either never buy a business, or you'll buy one and miss something, or just have more stress than necessary. Hey YouTube watcher, what's up? It's William Griffin, and if you have watched this video up until now, please smack that like button, and I'm glad you're liking the video. Also, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're doing super well. Also want to ask you, please consider subscribing because my commitment and exploration on YouTube is about to explode. Stories, polls, more amazing content, and more engagement, more surprise and delight. This is the time to subscribe. I hope you consider it, and I hope I see you on the next video.